Welcome to the first video in the HTML and CSS tutorial. For this video, we are going to be focusing on two main things. The first thing being creating a workspace where we will be doing our work in the future videos. And the second thing being introducing the concept of a text editor and showing you a text editor that I personally like a lot and will be using throughout the series. So let's start with that. You might be wondering, what is a text editor? A text editor is a program that edits text. It's different from Microsoft Word in that it's more of a no-nonsense kind of editor. So it doesn't have all of those fancy editing options such as bolding, italicizing, changing fonts. It's a lot more simple. And we will be using it throughout the series to make different HTML, CSS files. So yeah, text editors are good. Use them. The one that I personally recommend is Sublime Text. And you can look at the description below for a link on where to download that. But for now, let's open it up. I have mine located in my dock for convenience. So open, and here it is. So it's really basic. These numbers right here just indicate what line we're on. See, as I press enter, we're on the 6th line now. Here is the title of the document that we'll be working with. It's also on here. But yeah, that's pretty much it for now as far as text editors go. So, closing out this, don't save. Now we'll be focusing on our workspace. So, our workspace really isn't going to be anything too crazy. It's just a structure of folders. So, let's create our first folder and rename it. I'm going to name mine HTML projects. Just name your workspace something that makes sense. And now I'm going to get us set up for the next video. Next video, we'll be working in this folder, which I'm just going to call Project 1. Alright, and that concludes this video. Please leave a like and subscribe and stay tuned for more tutorials.